This sneaker right here is a controversial sneaker right now in the sneaker world. This sneaker is so talked about because of the sizing, and some way, somehow, I got for retail. I actually copped a few pairs for retail on the website. I hit on the raffle. I couldn't believe it. Here they are. I'm going to show you guys a pair of them. And let me know down below in the comments if you guys want me to do a full video talking about this sneaker. If you know what these are, leave a comment down below. We do have a size 10.5. This is my size, so we'll see if these actually do fit. If you guys want me to talk about these, do a full video, leave a comment, let me know. But right here, we have beautiful paper. The packaging is awesome, but the sneaker, I don't know, man. I don't know. We got to take a look at the shoes, because I don't know if these are really for me. They're very out there. But right here we have a bag. This is nice. Very thick. Almost feels like a towel. Very nice material. You got Flea 2, Nike Air, Just Do It. Got the Yin Yang logo, the Nike swoosh logos, Nike branding. Very nice on that bag right there. And we have the shoes. Oh, no. I can't do this. I knew it. This is not me. I'm not going to be able to pull these off at all. Some of you guys out there might be able to. Damn, these are heavier than I thought they would be. These are the Nike Flea 2 Cactus Plant Flea Market. This is the all black colorway. I did hit on the spruce colorway as well. Ah, man, I just can't do this. This is not me. Leave a comment down below. Are these fire? Are these trash? If you guys cop these, please comment a bunch of fire emojis. If you guys didn't even bother, or you guys are not copying these, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who actually, who actually likes these. Who's actually going to do it? Who's going to wear them all the time and actually put them to use? I don't know, but not me. Not me. I'm sure people out there definitely will, but it will not be me. These are not for me at all. I can't do this. This is like a tire-like material on the whole outsole. They do come with like extra things you could put on, extra pins. You have like a whole bunch of them, which is cool. You have 2 pull tabs going on, 2 tongues, 2 straps. These are just wild and out there. If you guys want me to drop a full video on these, leave a comment down below. Smash that thumbs up. If you guys can get this video up to 200 likes, I'll make the video happen on the Nike Flea 2. Let me know if you guys are actually able to cop a pair, because these are wild, man. I am surprised. These are definitely loud and out there. These are crazy. I was not expecting this at all. These are wild. It's cool that this does glow in the dark. That's pretty cool. The foot on the bottom. I'll try them on and make a full video if you guys want it. Let me know down below in the comments. Now, let's talk about this sneaker that I'm telling you guys, buy the dip. We all know the sneaker market is down. As a matter of fact, if you guys want me to do a full video talking about the market, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. If you guys can get this video up to 200 likes, I'll make that video happen as well. So make sure you guys smash that like button, and make sure you guys subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you guys get notified every time I drop a brand new YouTube video. Make sure you guys subscribe. Get me to 69,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. Now, I'm going to tell you guys, the market's down, and because it's down, I haven't checked this sneaker in a while, and when I did, I am mind blown. I checked it earlier. I am shocked at the prices. They have dropped, and I wasn't expecting it. I don't think a lot of people really were. This is a very anticipated, hyped pair of Air Jordan 1s. Buy the dip. Buy them. If you guys want them, if you still need a personal pair, buy them. Buy them. Buy them. If we do ever get a restock of this sneaker, or any type of shock drop or anything, will the price come down? Potentially, maybe a little bit, but at the end of the day, you're going to wind up wearing them, enjoying them, and getting your money's worth out of them. The Air Jordan 1, lost and found. If you guys take a look at prices, they are below $400 at this price point, which is crazy. At this time, finally, under $400 in most sizes. The bigger sizes, 12 and a half, 12, yeah, a little bit over 400, but most sizes are below $400, which is absolutely crazy. If you ask me, I thought by now these would easily be like 500 bucks. You know, if the market didn't drop and was going to continue how it was, you know, last year, the year before, these would easily be a $500 sneaker right now. But the market has done a full 180, so that's not the case at all. Buy the dip. Prices have dropped. If you guys still need your lost and found Air Jordan 1s, buy them. Buy them. Buy them. You're going to wear them. You're going to enjoy them, right? You're going to get your money's worth out of them. They're coming up on a year on release. I think if you don't have them now and you buy them, you're probably going to get your money's worth out of them, right? You're probably going to wind up wearing them, enjoying them a lot. Because now's the time, guys. Prices are finally below $400. And look at size 8. Nearing $300, which is crazy. So, guys, cop up. It's time. It's definitely time. I did not expect ever to be making this type of video on the Lost and Founds again. I only thought that they would go up and up and up. And well, they did. But now the market has done a full 180 and prices have come down a little bit. If you did overpay, I have myself. Hey, I'm in the game. I'm a part of it. I paid $450, almost $500 myself. I look at it like, hey, it was last year, you know, type thing, or maybe, you know, a handful of months ago if you got them. It is what it is. Not a big deal. You're going to get your money's worth out of them. It's more of a reason to wear them, enjoy them, and put them to use, isn't it? Wear your sneakers, enjoy them. That's what they're made for. And the Lost and Found, man, is just an incredible sneaker. And listen, at this price point, you may even want to double up, triple up. I could use another pair. I have pairs, but I could use another one. I love the Lost and Founds. They did a great job. This is, in my opinion, the best reimagined version they've done. By far, in my opinion. It's better than Patent Breads. It's better than, you know, the 3s. The 3s are awesome. They also have this age effect, but not as much. I think this, they did it right. They nailed it perfectly on the head with the packaging, the storytelling, the receipt, the paper, everything they come with. They just nailed it on the head when it comes to the Lost and Founds. Compared to the other reimagined series that's going on. We're not done. We're going to continue to get reimagined sneakers. So I'm excited for it. I'm here for it. And yeah, guys, buy the dip, man. Listen, if you don't have them, buy them. Grade School has dropped as well. Buy the dip on the Lost and Founds because you know one day, it'll take time, years from now, but one day they will be, you know, $600, $700, $800. It's inevitable that they will creep up because it's the Chicago at the end of the day. Man, prices under $400. I did not expect this, and I don't think a lot of people have. And I don't think a lot of people have really checked the market on this sneaker either, unless if you still want this shoe, and if you do, I think you might need to get them. And holidays are coming up. Keep that in mind. So we might see them go back up again. So, man, the Lost and Founds under $400. Buy the dip on the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe. 200 likes on this video. Can we do it? Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.